Before you spend a lot of money online buying cruise must-haves, let me show you how you can just go to your neighborhood Dollar Tree and get just about everything you need. Over the years, I found some simple, inexpensive items that just make cruising a lot easier. So I've grouped these into common cruise problems, from staying comfortable to staying organized and staying prepared. And trust me, I never cruise without some of these things. Let's start with our cabin and some laundry hacks. Now, I often pack binder clips that I borrow from the office, but you can also get them right at Dollar Tree. And you could put your own labels on here. Maybe you're doing a tech kit with them. But these are great for hanging your unmentionables in your shower clothesline. Really works well and doesn't take up much space. Now, of course, you can also buy traditional wooden clothespins or even these metal ones right at Dollar Tree. But I have to admit, I like the binder clip option. You know, they're great for hanging your wet swimsuit, quick dry clothes, or if you are doing laundry in the sink. And you can even use them to clip the curtain shut so you don't get woke up too early from blinding sunlight coming in your room. Now, I've seen a lot of videos where they encourage you to bring this collapsible mesh laundry basket. Doesn't take up much space in your luggage because it folds flat, and you can pop it open to collect dirty clothes, or some people even use it in the closet to store their shoes and keep everything neat. This is something I don't do. I just use an empty drawer and put dirty clothes in it, but this might work for you. Now, between my husband and I, we always seem to get some stains on our shirts or on our pants. So I always take stain remover wipes. They're perfect. They don't take up much room, and you can get a quick cleanup before any stains set in. Well, what about wrinkles? Well, I also take a wrinkle release spray. Again, Dollar Tree has it, and it doesn't take up much room, and you can keep your clothes looking the best while you're on that cruise. Now, Dollar Tree has loads and loads of hygiene products. I mean, you can get disposable razors, hand sanitizer, and something I always take with me, these little packets of Kleenex. They fit in my coat pocket or in my excursion bag, because you never know when your nose starts running, or for me, I sometimes have nosebleeds. So these really do come in handy. And if you stop in a restroom and there isn't toilet paper, well, they can come in handy for that too. And of course, they have toothbrushes and toothpaste, breath strips for not taking up much room, but making sure you always have fresh breath, and a variety of wipes, disinfecting wipes, antibacterial wipes, or baby wipes. Again, they can come in handy for wiping down areas in your room and to bring on excursion. And again, for the reason that I mentioned, right? When you're using the restroom, well, these wipes can also come in handy. I always have one in my excursion bag. And there's loads and loads of soaps and hairsprays and shampoos, all at the Dollar Tree. So check it out if you're looking for travel size bottles to take with you. Now, Dollar Tree is a great place to find budget priced first aid items to take with you. You can make your own kit. They even have brand name over-the-counter medications in nice compact sizes. And of course, you can buy small pre-made kits like these, but I suggest making your own. Take a variety of meds for headaches, allergies, upset stomach, motion sickness, antibiotic ointment, Band-Aids, and make your own little kit. Now, one thing I've learned over the time is one little grain of sand in your sandals when you're on an excursion can result in a very bothersome blister. So I always carry some moleskin and these blister pads. And these blister pads, well, they're also available at the Dollar Tree. And Especially if you're prone to seasickness, pick up some of this ginger candy. It's great for mild seasickness or even upset stomachs. So for snacks, the hard candy is also a great idea. I always buy hard candy like this, and I always have some with me when I'm on a flight. Now, believe it or not, the only earbuds I use with my laptop are I think I got them for $1 at the time. Now they'd probably be $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. They plug right into my laptop, and while I'm on the plane or when I'm sitting out in a cruise lounge, I can work on things on my laptop and not bother anybody else. But something you also should pick up at the Dollar Tree are earplugs. You never know if your cabin is going to be next to someone who's very, very loud, always slamming their door shut in the middle of the night, or you have a venue above you that is loud. So it's always a good idea to bring some earplugs so you can have undisturbed sleep. And don't forget carabiners. Again, Dollar Tree has them. They can come in handy in a variety of ways. You know, they're nice for hanging your water bottle right on your excursion bag or putting your purse on a hook. There's all different types of things you can do with carabiners. And again, they don't take up much room. If you watch my other channel, Prepper Potpourri, you know that I am a prepper. So there's one thing I always have, no matter where I go. That's right, it's duct tape. You know, it can fix broken straps, secure luggage tags, patch something temporarily, or handle any other quick repairs. Again, Dollar Tree has it. What would happen if you had a wardrobe malfunction while you're on the cruise? Well, a small sewing kit can come in handy. You know, one that has a thread, needle, and some safety pins. Well, Dollar Tree has just what you need. And in addition to duct tape, I always take some zip ties with me when I travel. You know, they don't take up much room, and they can come in handy to organize cords or an emergency fit. And Dollar Tree has zip ties that come in an assortment of sizes. The Dollar Tree also has these handy magnets, and since most cruise rooms, the walls are made of metal, I put the daily cruise schedule up on the wall with one of these magnets. So they're great for paper type items, but they won't handle anything that's really heavy. And what about a plug-in nightlight? Perfect for nighttime bathroom trips, especially in interior cabins. Maybe instead you get these glow sticks and you just open one every night, put it near your sink, and there's a little glow coming from the bathroom, so it can help you find that bathroom in the middle of the night. And how about some Post-its? Great for just writing a quick note to your room steward or to whoever you're traveling with. Now, why not pick up some snacks when you're driving to the port or flying and waiting at the terminal for your airplane ride, or just to keep in your room? You know, one of the things I love is corn nuts. Yep, and you can get those right at Dollar Tree. And they have plenty of games such as this Uno. It's great for sea days or evenings in the cabin. Now again, you should always bring a flashlight with you to keep in your cabin, just in case. And Dollar Tree usually has an assortment of small flashlights, perfect for travel. Now, I have to admit, I don't use the Dollar Tree flashlights because I love my little clip-on O-light. You know, I got a purchase link below if you're interested. It's always with me in my travel kit. And, you know, power outages happen when you least expect them. So it's always nice to be prepared. And don't forget to bring rain ponchos. You can get them right at Dollar Tree. And if you're out on an excursion, all of a sudden there's a pour from the heavens. These can come in really handy. So always keep one in your excursion bag. And sunglasses. Yeah, maybe you got that expensive designer pair, but it's a good idea to have a backup. And you can easily get that at Dollar Tree. And if something happens and you lose it, well, no worry. I mean, it's $1.25, right? People seem to love to bring towel clips with them on cruises. You know, you just clip your towel right on your lounge chair so the towel doesn't blow off. But You won't get flamingo ones at the Dollar Tree, but you can use chip clips exactly for that purpose. And something again I always bring with me are some Ziploc bags. Great for wet swimsuits, toiletries to contain in case they leak, protecting a phone, or just for bringing some food back to the room. Now a couple of packing items. These are the shower caps, and people use these for storing their shoes in their luggage. So the bottom of the shoes might be a little dirty, but it keeps their clothes clean. Another thing some people use when they're packing is dryer sheets. They stick one of these sheets in their shoes to keep everything smelling nice in their luggage. So what are my personal favorites from Dollar Tree? Well, I do like the magnets, and of course the rain ponchos, Ziploc bags, stain remover wipes, and yes, blister pads. I use these on just about every single cruise. I mean, the best thing about these items is they're only $1.25. Won't break your cruise budget, but you will have what you need. Did I miss any Dollar Tree cruise essential that you love? Well, if so, comment below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and think about subscribing to the channel. And remember, adventure awaits.